My name is Alberto Maestre Hoffman. I am the Managing Director of TDF, Company Técnica de Fluidos, which is headquartered in Barcelona in Spain. It started like a small company and slowly we grew to the organization that we are now. Today we have 74 employees all over Spain. We have 3 offices in Spain and another 4 home offices around Spain. And we are present in another 10 countries in Europe and in South America. Chimigraf is one of those hidden champions that you have in the Spanish economy. It's a company that the big public wouldn't know, but it's a company that has been, if you analyze it, it's been developing tremendously as well over the last years. They really trust a lot in our pumps, and especially in the Wilden pumps, which they have over 100 pumps in their factory today. And the main challenge that that our Wilden pumps have been able to solve, it basically, from what we know, is that they had a lot of issues with gear pumps, issues of wear, issues of maintenance, big problems, and Wilden pumps have been the perfect solutions.
My name is Hugo Lavalle. I am the president of Chimigraf, and we are especially devoted to the production and the commercialization of liquid inks, especially in the field of flexo and gravure inks. Well, in the past we have a lot of gear pumps and we have to maintain a lot because every month we have some problem with this kind of pumps we have to repair. It's a lot of expenses, also we have to stop working. Is another problem. Because of the technical problem we had, we decided to move to the air pumps. In this case, we decided to use membrane pumps, in this case of a Wilden pump. The problem of the gear pump will disappear step by step, and today we haven't any problem.
I think in Europe and I think all over the world, companies and individuals are getting more and more aware of energy efficiency. This is really something which I think is one of the big subjects that we see today among the people. And this is why we are very excited about this new product from Wilden, the Pro-Flo Shift. It really gives an answer to one of the major issues that we see in the industry, which is the energy efficiency. It's dramatic. We have seen it in tests. We have seen it also already in customers. We have seen how dramatic the reduction is of the air consumption. So this is why we were one of the first customers that we went to explain the news was to Chimigraf. Wilden pumps have been the perfect solution since the last years, and this is why they are the happiest with the Wilden pumps. It's going to be very difficult to take them away from it, because it really has solved their main problem that they had one of the main problems that they had in the factory actually.
For me, this pump is a very good choice, and I am sure that the result will demonstrate it.
PSG, where innovation flows.